Hi everyone, I'm going to make today French bread, and I dissolved already put the yeast already in the warm water using 1 cup warm water and put the 1 packet of yeast. And I'm just gonna cover this, and we have to dissolve this for 5 minutes. I'm using 2 cups of flour. And we have to reserve it because we're gonna use it later too. Add salt, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix this, and flour is here, and put 1 tablespoon of oil. And use the egg white, just the egg white. Okay, have to put it aside. 1 pinch of sugar. Add more. Two pinch of sugar. Oops, please don't. Okay, just mix this. You can use also shortening if you want. Okay, the yeast is dissolved already. Then we just add to the dough. And you add to the flour. And you just have to mix this together. And add 1/2 cup of warm water. Make sure that it's not really that hot. Add a little bit on that. Now we're using our hand. You just have to mix them together and make a dough. Add a little bit of flour and water. A little bit of oil. Add already the oil and just cover this with plastic and let this freeze up for 45 minutes. Okay guys, our dough is freezed up for 1 hour. That means it is ready. You just have to set aside and cut this off in half. And we just roll it so we can get a perfect size for French bread. Now this one has a perfect size already. So we just put it here now and make the other one. Okay everyone, we just let this raise for another 30 minutes. So the bread is raised up already. You just have to brush this with white egg. Like that. And then cut 3 slices. And then I'm gonna use the sesame seed, put in the top, just like that. You can put a lot if you want. Then preheat your oven and 375, then bake it in 20 minutes. Okay everyone, the French bread is cooked. That's yummy. Here we go. And that's BO. And you just have to put this aside and slice the one. Look at that. And just have to slice. That's very soft. I like this recipe. Look how soft it is. It's very soft recipe. Look at that. Yummy. Okay, everybody, that's our French bread. Hope you like it. See you again. Bye bye.